Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. It's James Woods, aka That Yoga Dude with Feel Free to Feel Free, and day 25 of this 30-day yoga challenge. This is all about self-care. I want to be clear on the care of the self. There's no goal to it. There's no specific outcome that you need. It's no specific order, routine. It's just you doing what you need to do to make yourself feel cared for in that moment. Whatever that looks like for you. If you feel like you need to be nurtured in a certain way, we're going to get into that today with some yoga, doing some of these poses that help us capture the feeling of nurturing that has escaped us since the week, the month, the day, the year, your life. We're going to capture this nurturing in a yoga practice today. We're going to start standing, sitting if you need to. I just got out of the sauna and everything, so I'm all nice and sweaty and relaxed and loose, because that's a part of me caring for myself, sweating out the toxins. And we're going to start by breathing and affirming. Caring for that mind. Come into your mountain pose. In the chair, out the chair. Roll the shoulders up, squeeze at the top. Exhale, let the shoulders fall back and down. The chest is open. Good. Moving the head around to release any of the tightness and tension in the shoulders, the collarbone, the top of the chest. And let's take a deep inhale, breathing in through the nose. And breathing out of the mouth. Let's take 3 more of those. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's start with some affirmations. You can say them silently or out loud, wherever you are. You need to hear them, probably people around you too. Let's inhale. I am cared for. I am loved. I am peace. for the right moment. Let's sit in that for a breath. Good. Care for the entire body by stretching it, pushing down through the feet, reaching the hands up to the sky. Ooh, full body stretch here, reaching to the back, reaching down through the legs, left and right, moving it to the side, waking things up. Good little stretch here, good little stretch, good little stretch. Oh, good, left, right, up, down. From here, I'm gonna reach up. The heels of my hand are gonna pull me up, straightening through the legs, not overextending, just enough with a slight bend. Inhale. And then as I exhale, I'm gonna lean forward, fall forward. Push those hands down, pull the chest toward me. Good, stretch. And I'm keeping my back as straight as I possibly can. Chest up as I bend forward. I feel those hamstrings stretching out here. And the lower back activating, stretching here. And we're gonna find nurture right here. Good. So I'm letting the gravity do all the work from just loosen this tight back, loosen the hamstrings. I'm gonna cross my arms over each other at the elbows and just gently rock side to side. Good. The top of my head is pulling towards the mat, feel the stretch. I'm bringing my elbows back towards my head, open up the chest a little bit more, and just figure out what you need here. This is self-care. I'm only here to suggest some postures and poses, but you're the one that is instructing you. Only you can care for you or start forest fires. Be safe out there. Shake the head left and right, breathing in and out. Good. Nice. Now we're gonna bend your knees even more and then slowly roll out of this. We want that blood to just rush back towards the heart. We're gonna take it slow here. Good, rolling up nice and slow. Oh, that's a goodie. Bring those shoulders up, inhale. Exhale, relax the shoulders back and down. 2 more of those. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more, inhale. And exhale. Good. Bring those feet hip distance apart. I'm gonna turn my heels in, my toes out, and we are just gonna do an old-fashioned twist-a-roni. All right, so be careful with your knees. I'm moving through the hips and bend the knees as we move. Getting the arms, getting the sides. You can bring your elbows as high as you want to, or you can have your arms hit you just like this, waking some things up. Not really hit, just land. Good. Just kind of feeling the body waking up, taking care of itself. Don't hit the wall behind you. Good. Sometimes you gotta get to know yourself to take care of yourself. Every time you gotta get to know yourself to take care of yourself. What does your body need right now? Take this left arm, as it comes over to the right side, bring a big old circle. Bring it back. Other side, do the same thing, opening up the body. Ooh, the ribs are opening, the legs. Once again, keep those knees bent, turn from the hips. Get a little matrix in there. Lean back if you want to. Oh, breathe. 1 more. Each side. Good. Taking care of yourself by figuring out what yourself needs. Inhaling and exhaling, coming back into our mountain position. Breathe in, palms up and out. Good, good, good. Inhale, bring both hands up. Reach up, stretch up, lean back. Ooh, something just popped. It felt good. Exhale, bend the knees forward. Good. This time I'm gonna bring just my right foot forward and my left foot back. Drop that left heel down. Good. So my left foot pointing towards the top of that mat, and my left toes pointing towards the very top. Left pointed outside, 45-degree angle. We get into math here. I'm just gonna come into a warrior pose. Go ahead and protect yourself. Be a warrior for yourself. Both my hips are facing forward. The shoulders are facing forward. Breathe in, bend down, stretch, 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 stretch. The inner left leg, the back of the right leg. Breathe in. Good. Exhale, come on down. Bring both hands down. Feel that stretch in the back of the right leg here. If you can't make it to the ground with your hands, just lean forward and feel that stretch in the back of the leg. Good, good, good. For 5. Drop the head. 4, 3, 2,
And we're just gonna pivot here as I slowly roll up. Good, I'm gonna turn on my heels. Good. See that left toe out a little bit. So we adjust as needed. Good, and now we're on the other side. Right toe is pointing 45 degrees towards the side of the mat. Left toe is pointing forward. Warrior pose here. See how my heel is pressed down and I bring this right hip forward. I know you feel that stretch right there at the top of that right leg. Breathe in here for 5, 4, 3, 2, lean back. Good. Bend forward. Good. Back stretching. Hips, legs. Good. Your toes stretch out for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Inhale, slowly rolling up. Coming to the center. My feet are still wide, my heels are out. Bring the chest up, hands to the heart. And I'm gonna slowly start to squat down. Get low, move the hips left and right. Feels good. If you can go lower, it's your time. You can grab a bolster or a block and use that as a little tool to help you kind of not go too low as you rock back and forth. Good. Bring the chest up. If you want to bring those elbows into the thighs to stretch even more the groin. Good. Bring the hands into the thighs. Good, good, good. Oh, good stretch there. Then fold forward. To the left and to the right, where it feels good. Nice. We're gonna slowly drop down to the mat. Good. Come onto your back. Laying down, just taking a second on the ground here. Soaking it all in. We don't have to rush from one thing to the next. We can just enjoy where we are at. Provide some care there. Care there, stare. I want to extend that left leg to the sky. Ooh, feel that stretch out. Toes to my face and stretch the back of the leg. You can add the hand if you want a little bit more of a stretch. Good. Then I'm gonna come into a pigeon on my, before I do that, I'm gonna bring that knee to my chest because that feels amazing. Good. Now I'm gonna place this left ankle, the outside of the left ankle to the top of the right thigh. Nice little hip stretch. Figure 4 here, feel that stretch, opening up to the groin, to the hip, to the leg. We'll breathe it out for the next 5. If you want, you can grab that right knee, pull it into your chest. 4, that's it right there. Breathe, relax your shoulders. 3, keep breathing, relax the head, the neck, relax your face. 2, squeeze in a little bit more. Good, and relax and release. Ooh, that's a good one, I needed that. Ooh. Nice. Stretch it up, being present. With the body, we're gonna send the right knee to the chest. This pose has made me think of tacos for some reason, and burritos. I'm hungry, but I practice presence. Let me be right here, not that much. Good, good, good. Leg nice and limber. Bring that right leg to the sky for the stretch. You take care of your body, that's self-care there. Good. And you don't have to go out and do anything except breathe. And being aware is taking care. That sounds like a t-shirt from the 90s. If it is, I'm copywriting it, so. Bending the right knee, place the right outside ankle on the top of the left leg, roll it back and forth. This hip is notoriously tighter. Ooh. So when I pull it in, it don't go that far, and that's okay. It goes right here, and it says stop. I respect you, hip. I'm gonna keep it right here and breathe into that opening hip for 5, breathe. 4. We'll just keep it right here. 3, 2, and 1. Good. A little extra. Oh, almost kissed my foot. Ew. I'm gonna slowly relax, bring the soles of my feet together. Let them just fall apart. Your version of the butterfly. If you want, you can grab a blanket or a bolster and put under your hips right here. So the gravity don't just take it all the way, and don't just, you have some support there. Wherever you are, we're gonna hang out here and just provide care for ourselves for the next couple of seconds. Just focus on that belly breathing. Relaxing, releasing. The breathing. You got it. There you go. Just let it all go. Take one more deep breath here. Breathe in. And breathe out. Drop your knees to the right. Oh, you can bring your left leg up if you want, or just keep both knees dropped over to the right. As you turn to the left, for that twist. Roll the knees back over to the center and then to the left. You can pick your hips up and scoot them back. So, and you see as I drop my knees to the left, my hips pick up and scoot back to the right. My shoulders are open. And I twist and look over towards my right for a stretch. Whoa. Extend that top leg if you want to. Woo. Good. Don't put your foot on the wall. You know better than that. Inhale, bring both hands up, bring the knees back to center. Feel that good stretch here. Extend out. Ooh. Roll up. Push up, scoot up. Come up into the forefold. Oh, you deserve all the care. Be sweet to yourself. Be good and genuine and loving to you. Care for that best person in the world. I'm still learning. I hope this was helpful in you practicing self-care, self-love for yourself. I appreciate you. And as always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Peace, peace, peace. Stay 25. We out.